In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Visa card from your Facebook page. Whether you're cleaning up old payment methods or switching cards, it's a quick and simple process. Let's jump right in. Open a browser and log into Facebook. Make sure you're using the account that manages the page. Go to the Business Settings page. You can find this by clicking the drop-down menu in the top right corner and selecting Settings greater than Pages greater than Business Settings. From the left-hand menu, click on Payment Methods. You'll see a list of all saved credit and debit cards. Find the Visa card you want to remove and click the three dots next to it. Select Remove and confirm when asked if you're sure. That's it. The Visa card is now deleted and will no longer appear as a payment option for your Facebook page or ads. Quick tip: if you use Meta ads, make sure you update your payment settings so future charges go to the correct card. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick Facebook and business tips. See you next time.